Hi, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, hi. Good to see you. I'm hoping the lens isn't all fogged up on the camera. It's a bit humid out here. Seems to be a popular little spot for us doing the intros out on the balcony here in Dubai. Just got in from work. Busy day. As you might have seen on our Instagram stories, we've had a new car turning up here in Dubai. We've kind of kept it a little bit quiet. It was meant to arrive here in Dubai on Wednesday. The sea container on the ship landed a little bit late. We were meant to get it released on Thursday, but I think because of the size of the ship, everything got a little bit delayed. Here in Dubai, Friday is a non-work day, so it wasn't released Friday, and then we were able to get it yesterday. The process is that you're meant to be there when the sea container's opened, just so that you can check everything's okay with the car and that there aren't any problems as they open it, and then it's easy to determine if the damage occurred during shipping or if the damage occurred whilst you were trying to get the car out. On Saturday morning, we chased up about how the car was going. What had already happened was the car had already come out of the sea container, which is always a bit of a risk. The car was being loaded onto a truck, so we shot out to the port as quickly as we could to check how the car was and if there were any problems. What we found very quickly was that the car didn't come with a battery, so normally when we've shipped cars over, the battery's either in the car or it's disconnected. This time there wasn't any battery, so that was a little bit of a problem for us trying to start the car and put it onto a truck, so we had to push it on. What we did then was we took it down to Lens and we started an inspection to start getting it ready for registration. So the car that we've got is a little bit special. We'll show you that through the video. I think the best name that we've got for it at the moment is the Breadvan, so we'll stick with that name as we kind of go through. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it passes registration. Stay tuned to the video, wish us luck. Go the Breadvan, let's see how she goes. Okay, we're gonna change the fuel filter and clamp it up a little bit tighter, because as you can see that's a bit brown and black and it needs to be clamped properly. To give you a comparison, this is the one that we're gonna change it with, so a massive difference there. Get these little things done now so it's all good to drive and for registration, and there's sensible things to do as well. So a little bit windy down here, but we've been chasing a wiring issue. So the problem that we've had is that we've had main beam and just normal headlights on this driver's side, right hand side driver's car, and on the left hand side we had no main beam. So we've done some digging, and as you can imagine, the wiring's a little bit interesting in the car, and we finally found the problem, that we weren't getting the 12 volts down at the connector, and we traced it all the way through, and we think we found the problem. So we're actually just going to run a new wire and put that in, and hopefully that'll fix it. I think that's the main problem that we've had. We had a bit of a problem with the handbrake, but that's all been tightened up now. Battery's in, battery's been replaced, that just needs securing. As well as the small problem with the front lights, we had a bit of a problem with the rear ones as well, where, as you can see on this side, clear lenses, so we've had to chase down some red bulbs. Sounds simple, but trying to find anything around here sometimes can be a little bit difficult. So we sorted that out. We had a vacuum hose missing and is still missing. We need to put that back on. As you can see, the fuel filter's a lot better now. Just tidying her up. Plenty of room. Len can come in as well. There's plenty of room. I'll just put the seat.
I have got some decorum.
Yeah, you can fit in. That's the choke, isn't it?
Yeah.
Choke doesn't
It's just quite. To this, I'll put my.
Where'd you go?
Summer in my soul. Summer in my soul. Summer in.
Should I be going to see if they've broken down? Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. The first speed bump. See how many pieces fall off. Oh, looks like he's made it.
Hi everyone, and just before you think we're going to end the video without telling you what happened at the end, like any good fairy tale, there's always a good story at the end. Here's our number plate. So we are now legal, registered here in Dubai, and we'll be out on the road very shortly. I want to say a massive thank you to the RTA for the support they've given us, giving their classic its registration. Massive thanks to Kelly as well for doing, she does all our paperwork and all our importing, and I guess this probably couldn't have been done without Len. The video doesn't tell the whole story of kind of what's been going on the last few days, but Len's been under and over this car everywhere, tightened up the gearbox, done boots, done all kinds of stuff while I've unfortunately had to be at work. So massive thanks to Len. It's amazing the people you meet on your travels around the world, and Len is absolutely a diamond, so thank you very much. Hope you enjoy his dancing, hope you enjoy his singing. Please like, subscribe. We've got plenty of content coming up, so stick with us. Go to the Breadvan. See you later, guys.
Summer